400. What's up guys, I'm back with another video. We are going on a ride again to Manchanabele Dam. It's only about 40 kilometers from my home. No, 50 kilometers from my home. So the time right now is 6:20 a.m. in the morning. Today is a Friday. That is Manoj riding in front of me. It's been a long time since I rode with him. Yeah, so it's been a long time since me and Manoj rode. So a long time actually, maybe a 1.5 month, or probably 2 months. No. Actually, we rode before a month or something. Yeah. So that's still a long time. We used to ride freaking every week before. I was a bit busy after my Kerala ride. Had to figure some things out. Where is the sun? It's 6:30 a.m. in the morning. What's that? Oh, I thought that's an airplane, but that's a bird. Please don't tell me it's gonna rain. I don't want that right now. I'm not in a mood. No. That was satisfying. Okay. What we are going to do is stop for a tea break. Okay. Okay, we'll have a tea and I'll be right back. Alright, we just had tea. There's buses on this road. Whew. This road looks good. It's a good vibe. It's been a long time since we went on a morning ride like this. I actually miss those days, like every week, doesn't matter which day it is, we used to go on a ride. Good old days. But so I have an important message to my viewers, especially subscribers. I really want to thank you guys who eagerly wait for my videos. I really want to thank you guys. Okay, so with me and Manoj, we are going on a long ride again. This time it's not going to be a solo ride. We'll be going together. So it's going to be a 1,500 kilometer ride. And most probably we might leave day after tomorrow morning. And that video is going to be insane. I can assure you that. Solo ride was really amazing. I loved it. I didn't have that lonely feeling ever in that ride. Not a single time. So I was really happy when I rode solo too. But this time it's gonna be more fun. Yeah, I'm sure about that. Map ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದೆ? ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬಾ. ಹತ್ಸೋಣ ಬಾ. ಜಾಗ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ? No, I'm not ready to go back. Wait. Our bikes can go, right? No? I don't know. ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ? Go. Yes. Yeah, this is the one. Yes, this is the one. This is the upper view. Holy crap, that looks good. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? This is it, guys. Oh, look at that, bro. Peace. Hi. So this is the view. Whew. It's nice, right? Nice. We have been taking photos for so long right now that I forgot to shoot the video. Shoot the vlog. How is it? It is nice. So my plan, I don't know, let's shoot a time lapse right now. The clouds are moving, so yeah, that's gonna be a good idea. And I have another video plan. It's gonna be a hyperlapse. Let's see how that goes. And yeah. Okay, so the time lapse in 3, 2, 1, go. Look at the tire. I think I can still go another 1,000 kilometers most probably. Alva bro?
Yes.
1,000 illa nam ride ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬಹುದು.
ಅದಿನೇನು 1500
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋಣ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಓ ಬ್ರೋ ಸಕ್ಕತ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬ್ರೋ.
This is it, guys. So a lot of people ask me about the bulb. Now this is the night eye LED bulb. I got it offline from a store in Trivandrum. So please don't ask me the online link of it. I have no idea. The reason I didn't buy online is because there's a lot of duplicate products of night eye. So that's the reason I didn't buy it. Alva bro? In ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾ ಅಂತೆ. So yeah. So if I find a genuine the bulb link, then I'll share it to you guys, all right? Instagram. Most probably I'll update you guys in the Instagram. Okay? All right. So bye bye. See you next time. I don't know when is that gonna happen. I might not even come here again. So saddling in this bike is really comfortable, and it's really, what do you call it? What's that word? I forgot that word. Bro, what is it? I don't know, I forgot, but it's fine, we can do it. Yes. I hope you guys like the video. You guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.